Colossal wave of sweeping US tariffs have triggered a tsunami in world financial markets. Markets across the globe have literally hit the panic button. In Asia, stocks opened sharply lower, mirroring the biggest losses on Wall Street this year. Japan's Nikkei nosedived to 2.2%, Taiwan's benchmark fell 1.3%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped 1.8%, with technology stocks the hardest hit. The global sell-off follows a steep decline in the US where the S&P 500 slid 1.8%, the Dow Jones dropped 649 points and Nasdaq plunged 2.6%. Currency markets also reacted sharply. The Canadian dollar and Mexican peso weakened, while China's yuan hit its lowest level since February 13th before rebounding. Indian markets also followed the global trend. The Nifty 50 opened below 22,000, plunging to a 9-month low. Mid-cap and small-cap stocks suffered steep losses. Investors fear further volatility as global economic uncertainty deepens. The threat of counter tariffs and its domino effect on other markets and sectors are keeping the investors jittery. Trump announced tariffs in a flash, but the rumblings of the decision might be felt for many weeks. Harshita Oberoi, DD India.
Shyama Mishra joins us live from Mumbai to discuss more about the markets. A very good morning, Shyama, but not a really good morning when we talk about the markets and the way they've opened. Nifty opened below 22,000 at lowest level since the 5th of June 2024. What are the possible factors that are impacting the markets, or is it just about the tariff trauma, Shyama?
For starters, Deepika, we can attribute it to the tariff trauma. But what markets don't like is uncertainty. And the current scenario that we are going through, not just in India, but globally for more, that is a scenario of uncertainties. And that's what is scaring the markets right now. And if you see, this is a kind of a mirroring effect, a dominoes effect, where the global markets are actually plunging, and mirroring that, our Indian markets are also plunging. So, we should have a little faith in the Indian markets, because time and again we've seen that as much as it's gone down, twice or thrice the amount the markets make a comeback, and the higher the returns. So yes, it's definitely the uncertainties that are going on around the global markets, the global factors, and definitely it is the large part of it is going to be attributed to the US tariff trauma. Also about how the other decisions of the Trump administration is turning out. We also saw the drama which happened in the Oval Office, and later on we did see a lot of other countries supporting Ukraine. So that is another uncertainty where the markets are thinking that there'll be another moving towards another war. The countries are clubbing up, the countries are teaming up, and what could lead to that, it remains uncertain. So that is what is the entire scenario is all about. A lot of uncertainties and a lot of changes happening in the global scenario, and that is why we are seeing that even the Nifty 50, the BSE Sensex, all are tumbling down. And currently, if you're talking about that, the BSE is currently half a percentage points down, and so is the Nifty 50. So yes, we have to have a little faith in the Indian markets, because everybody in India, the people who are there in the economic background, they are saying that India remains to be a sweet spot, a bright spot, and we should have a little faith in the Indian markets and the Indian economy.
And considering India's economic stability as well, I think this seems to be a better option. Thank you so much, Shyama, for joining us and bringing us the latest on how the markets are reacting following the tariff trauma.